I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by charging both earbuds and the case above half, so the reset completes without power interruptions. Once charging, unpair or forget the Bose entry on every phone. This avoids automatic reconnection mid-reset. Make sure the case remains plugged in and you sit at a stable workspace. Now remove both earbuds and inspect LEDs. This confirms they've got power. When ready, proceed immediately to the core reset steps so the earbuds can enter factory reset mode consistently. Once done with prep, put both earbuds securely into the case and close the lid for about 5 seconds to stabilize connections. Open the lid and press and hold the case's Bluetooth or reset button for 10 to 15 seconds. You'll feel a small delay as firmware clears settings. Make sure to watch the LED behavior. You should see a steady light, then a blinking pattern, then it will either turn off or flash differently. This sequence indicates the earbuds have cleared pairing data and factory settings. Once the LED sequence finishes, remove the earbuds and power them on. They should enter pairing mode automatically. You'll pair to one phone first to confirm audio and microphone functions, then add other devices. If pairing fails or audio is odd, repeat the reset once more, this time with a full charge and a different USB cable. Intermittent power can break the process. If problems persist after a second reset, contact Bose support. There may be a hardware issue requiring service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.